How to escape curly brackets in F strings. I have a string in which I would like curly brackets, but also take advantage of the F strings feature. Is there some syntax that works for this? Here are two ways it does not work. I would like to include the literal text bar as part of the string. Name error column name bar is not defined. Syntax error column F string expression part cannot include a backslash. Desired result. Edit. Looks like this question has the same answer as how can I print literal curly brace characters in a string and also use dot format on it, but you can only know that if you know that str dot format uses the same rules as the F string. So hopefully this question has value in tying F string searchers to this answer.
Although there is a custom syntax error from the parser, the same trick works as for calling dot format on regular strings. Use double curlies. It's mentioned in the spec here and the docs here.
Functional code.